when you're using your friend's flux. She'll have to watch the video to see that, huh?
I can hear you, you know.
What's that? Have you guys seen me go back for a bigger overlap? Most of the time, any of you guys that watch me forge, I usually have a pretty minimal overlap. So two things, I was feeling that I didn't quite have enough in my corner here, and I was coming just a little bit big. So by doing that overlap, I'm going to save myself just a little bit. There we go. So she should have lapped me and went ahead and got a heat. Because I've done this enough that I'll work between her.
Okay.
But since she was kind enough to get out of my way.
I was thinking I didn't want my shoe burned up.
It's called fire management practice.
Yes, Sensei.
Go for it.